Welcome to this video on reactive power, the often invisible force that is essential for maintaining a stable electrical grid. While we pay for active power, reactive power is what keeps the grid alive and functional. In this video, we explore the physics behind this critical concept. AC systems rely on three types of power: active power for useful work, reactive power to support magnetic fields, and apparent power, which is the total electrical loading. These three forces are connected by the power triangle, where the square of the apparent power equals the sum of the squares of active and reactive power. Think of reactive power like a spring. Unlike active power, which is consumed, reactive power is stored and released by inductors and capacitors, moving back and forth. Inductive devices like motors consume positive reactive power, while capacitive devices provide negative reactive power, shaping the flow of energy in the system. A low power factor wastes grid capacity. As this example shows, a lower power factor requires the grid to carry significantly more load to perform the same amount of work. Reactive power is a key tool for controlling grid voltage. Injecting it supports voltage, while absorbing it helps keep the voltage within a controlled range. Insufficient reactive power creates a dangerous chain reaction. Increased demand leads to higher currents, voltage drops, and eventually, the risk of total grid collapse. Capacitor banks provide local relief by supplying reactive power near the load. This reduces the amount of reactive power transmitted, lowering current and decreasing losses. Grid operators use various tools like STATCOMs, SVCs, and synchronous condensers to supply or absorb reactive power and maintain grid stability. Modern inverters used in solar and battery systems can also control reactive power, providing essential grid support without needing to discharge active energy. However, capacitors can magnify harmonic distortion, which engineers manage by installing detuned reactors to block resonance and keep the power wave clean. In the unified power chain, both active and reactive power are essential. The generator balances both, while transmission and distribution systems maintain power and electromagnetic conditions. In summary, reactive power is the oscillating exchange of energy necessary for maintaining voltage and keeping our AC equipment and grids operating correctly. If you found this technical deep dive helpful, please support our channel. Like this video, subscribe for more content, and share it with your fellow engineers.